I think that relations between China and European Union and broader European countries, including Bosnia and Herzegovina, is one of the most important relations nowadays in a current world. So I think that the EU needs to wake up a little bit, to turn around themselves, to see opportunities, including China. So I think that now it's a time for Brussels, official Brussels, European Commission, European or other European institutions to make a step toward better relations with China. Well, I think that the trade is one of the most important. In the new technologies, new green energy could be one of the most important topics for EU-China relations. With that, achievements in that area, I think that other areas like cultural or sports or other will just follow up. China already established a really huge multilateral platform with the Belt and Road Initiative. Bosnia and Herzegovina, I think, can be a small but functional bridge between two sides.